Hi guys, today I'll explain sentence types. In English we have four types of sentences, and a sentence has four main types: simple sentence, compound sentence, complex sentence, and compound complex sentence. Let's explain the first type, simple sentence. Simple sentence, or it has another name, it's called independent clause or main clause. It is a group of words having a complete meaning and has one subject and one predicate. For example, Omar studies well for ACT. This is a group of words that has a complete meaning and it has a subject and a verb. The subject is Omar and the verb is studies. And because this sentence is a telling sentence, it tells us information, it is a declarative sentence. So we need to learn that any function of the sentence, declarative, interrogative, imperative, or exclamatory, it is an independent clause or main clause or a simple sentence. Where did you go yesterday? This is an interrogative sentence or a question. It has a subject, you, and a verb, did. So it is a simple sentence as well. So the simple sentence or the independent clause could be a question, interrogative. Stop talking. This is an imperative sentence. It has a verb stop and the subject is hidden, it's you. So it has a subject and a verb. So any imperative sentence is a simple sentence or independent clause. The simple sentence or independent clause could be an exclamatory sentence, like it's an amazing story. This is an exclamatory sentence. It has a subject, it, and a verb, apostrophe s. So it has a subject and a verb. So it's a simple sentence or an independent clause. The act errors for simple sentence. Number one, because a simple sentence has a subject and predicate, the first error, we never separate the subject and its verb by using a comma. For example, Omar, comma, studies well for ACT exams. This is wrong because I used a comma to separate the subject and its verb. The girl with long hair is my cousin Sarah. But if I use extra information, between the two independent clauses, we use two commas, we do not use one comma. If the extra information or non-essential words is a prepositional phrase, a positive phrase, participial phrase, or relative clause, this works as an extra information. So we use two commas, not only one, two dashes, not only one, two brackets, not only one, except if the prepositional phrase is a part of the complete subject. We do not use commas. So this sentence is wrong because I use comma before the preposition was before the prepositional phrase because it's a part of the complete subject. Notes: number one, we never draw a comma in the middle of a complete subject if the extra information is a prepositional phrase. Number two, we need to put this in our mind for the simple sentence or for the preposition. We never draw a comma before or after a preposition. For example, if I say, Sarah is interested in watching TV. The preposition here is in. So if I use a comma before the preposition or after the preposition, it's wrong. Thank you for listening for the first part about simple sentence.